Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Okay, so this is day 3 in Malta. Beautiful views. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Okay, so this is day 3 in Malta and we are heading to the beach. But you see, this my phobia for cold will not allow me to be great. So I'm wearing my jacket because I cannot take the risk. Anyways, let's go guys. Guys, we are presently at the bus stop and we are we're going to go ay, oh god, so bad. Okay, so guys, that's this and we are at the bus stop. We're waiting for the bus.
The weather is good today, so
the weather is good, but I don't know why I just cannot allow myself because I fear cold. But yeah, we're gonna unveil the outfits when we get to the beach. So guys, we are already inside the bus and we are heading to Gadira. We have to change because the bus is going to come late. So yes. Hi guys, we are currently at Gadira Bay, but unfortunately most of the vendors are closed because it's already winter. So just look around, it's very beautiful. Yeah, some opened earlier but we came late, sadly.
oh, the beach is sandy, clean water.
So let's show you guys around.
Beautiful view.
Beautiful views. So guys, we are done for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let's continue again tomorrow, okay? Bye.